Express Deployment Environment is our unique solution to deploy Windows operating systems, drivers, applications in a fully automated way. XDE handles entire operating system installation, which includes the following steps: booting the device from a wide range of adapters, installing custom Windows image applications and drivers. In audit mode, we supervise the installation, install digital licenses, and prepare recovery tools for end user. Let's assume we have a task of installing 50 to 100 computers in a day. How many people will we need to perform this? I'd say 8 to 10 people working all day long. With our solution, we can perform this using only 2 servicemen within 1 hour. An integrated part of XDE is the ability to install digital MAR licenses, reporting them, and keeping track of each installation. The entire process is performed remotely. It takes 2 to 3 hours depending on the requirements. When the deployment has been completed, we perform a full test with our partner participation and answer all the questions. Security is of a great concern to us. XDE uses images that come directly from manufacturers and provides isolated installation environment. All processes are carried out according to Microsoft documentation and performed using Microsoft deployment tools. In short, quality, safety, and confidence. Each installation will be carried out correctly from start to finish without errors and surprises. Information about Express Deployment Environment can be found on our website. Feel free to contact us and we'll be more than happy to answer all your questions.